Longchamp Le Pliage in navy blue, size large, versus Polene Cyme in camel. Today I will be comparing these two bags, what fits, sizing, how I use them, and basically everything about it. My name is Valentina. Welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I am going to start with this bag, Longchamp Le Pliage. So when I was purchasing this bag, I was really thinking about which size. I was between medium and large, and I'm so happy that I chose large and just saved myself, because if I did choose the medium size, I would definitely be returning it for the larger size. I was in between also the navy blue and paper, which is white, and then I chose this one because I thought that it would get less dirty, which I can't compare, but I do think that the white one would of course be much more visible, although the whiter stains are visible on this one as well, but it's very easy to clean. So I have been using this tote bag mostly for traveling, or whenever I would need a zip, when I would go somewhere with my nephews, when I need to carry them or carry my dog, or just when I would need something more practical over Polene Cyme. I even wish that this bag was a little bit larger. So it is big, but Cyme can definitely fit more because it's wider. So I'm going to put inside what I usually carry in my carry-on. So I have my laptop right here in this sleeve. I have my iPad, and then I'm going to put the headphones, my water bottle. I think this is a liter and something, and then this small pouch that came with Polene Cyme, where I usually have all of my lipsticks and all of the smaller stuff. So this is what it fits. It fits nicely, I can't say. This bag is really well made, so it absolutely, I think it's going to last for a really long time. As you can see, everything fits nicely, but the bag doesn't have any structure at all. So basically what my laptop makes this structure right there. If I didn't have my laptop inside, it would just be thrown around everywhere. And for smaller things, I don't also think that it's very practical, because all of the smaller things are swimming down. But this bag has two pockets on each side. This is a bigger pocket, and then on the other side it has a smaller pocket, maybe for keys, for a smaller wallet, or something like that. I am 170 centimeters tall, and this is how the bag looks on me with all of the things inside. It feels comfortable under the arm, but these straps are pretty hard and they don't feel as comfortable as Polene Cyme, and especially because they are so harsh. If you have a jacket, or if you have a coat, or anything more bulky on your shoulder, if you're wearing something bulky, what happened to me is that one would fall off very often from my shoulder, which can be a little bit of a hassle. But a positive thing about these hard straps is that you can very easily put it on your smaller suitcase if you use it as a carry-on bag. Overall, this is a very practical tote bag if you have kids, if it's very easy to get things in and out, if you need your hands to be free. If you're carrying a lot of weight, this is a really nice bag. As I've said, I use it a lot for traveling. I use it a lot when I have my active wear on. I carry it when I don't want to think about, anything, when I just want to have a practical bag with me that fits a lot of stuff. When I go on a day trip and I don't carry my backpack with me, this this is the bag that I will be carrying. From all of the colors, navy blue is my favorite one, then also the white one and olive green one. Those are my favorites from this bag. And now I am going to talk a little bit about Polene Cyme, which is right here behind me. So this is in camel color. This is not my favorite Polene color for the bags. My favorite is definitely cognac, but when I purchased this, they didn't have it in cognac color. I do have numero 9 in camel. I'm just gonna show you, compare the colors. So this is 9 in cognac, and this is Cyme in camel. Here is the color comparison. Oh, this cognac is just such a beautiful color. So if I were to pick Cyme again, to purchase Polene Cyme again, I would definitely choose cognac. Although I love this color as well, you can't really go wrong. You can combine this with any color, so you can absolutely get a lot of use from this tote bag. I usually carry it like this, but in the beginning I did wear it with the magnets inwards. With the magnets inwards, I'd say that the sizing is almost the same, if not 100% the same as pliage. So I'll just put all the things from here into Cyme. Place everything inside, and as you can see, there is a little bit more of the space than in Le Pliage. This bag has slightly a better structure because it's leather, of course, but not a lot of structure. It is a very thin leather. So actually you shouldn't carry this much stuff in this bag. I did carry it with me as a carry-on bag on shorter flights, and I had it next to me just because this bag doesn't have a zipper, and it's really dangerous for smaller things that they're inside, like headphones. If you're not going to carry everything in this pouch, it is going to be pretty difficult for it not to, you know, if your bag turns or if anything happens, probably it's going to fall out. But for carrying less things, it is an absolutely, now I only have my iPad, my headphones, and the little pouch. This is such a great daily tote bag. If you don't need to carry that much, absolutely choose Cyme. And if you are in between getting a mini Cyme or a regular Cyme, if you're looking for a tote bag, I absolutely recommend the regular size. Smaller size is, my friend has it, and I would not call that a tote bag. This is how it looks like on me again. It feels really nice under the arm, and also I love this option with smaller straps and bigger straps, which are really comfortable. So it's not the same leather. I mean, it's differently made. This one is really soft and very comfortable on the shoulders. It is much thinner as well. That's why it's not recommended to overload the bag, especially because of the stitching. If you're looking for a more stylish tote bag, if you don't carry a lot of things, and especially a lot of heavy things, and if you're not worried about things getting out easily from this bag, then this would be a good choice for you. I usually carry this bag if I need my sunglasses, my water bottle, and when I am dressed a little bit more stylish, when I want to feel a little bit more stylish, that's when I choose this one. And I really never overload this bag. I'm very careful to carry a lot of heavy things inside. I have been using both of these bags really often, and they both look brand new, I would say. Shape hasn't changed, no scratches, just a very good quality on both of these bags. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, any comments, leave them down below. I will be linking both of these bags in the description, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.